next stage injury therapy. Today, in episode 2 of our 5-part series with Massage Guns Ireland, we're going to be looking at sciatica. We're going to be running through the glutes, the hamstrings and the calves to alleviate any discomfort from this. Let's go. So for the first exercise for sciatica, we're going to run through the piriformis. What happens when the piriformis becomes tight, it can clamp down on the sciatic nerve, irritating it going down the leg. We're going to use the flat head, we're going to secure that, and we're going to go on to Sarah's lower body. So Sarah's going to bring her leg and knee up onto the bed, and then we're going to run from the hip bone across to the sacrum there. So Sarah, if you can stick that on setting 3. And we're going to start here. We're just going to run in a line straight across to the sacrum. And we're going to do that for around 30 seconds. And again, as much pressure as you want. For sciatica, we're going to work through the hamstrings as a group. We're going to use the flat head again. We're going to secure that down, and Sarah's going to bring her foot up onto the table. So we're going to take the hamstrings as a whole group, and we're going to get Sarah to stick that on setting 3 for herself. We're going to start from just above the back of the knee, and we're going to work right up to below the glutes. Now, taking the whole hamstrings as a group, you can use as much pressure here as you like, and you can use whatever speed you like on it, but we're going to concentrate for around 1 minute on the whole hamstrings, just working up and down, and that's going to help loosen up the pathway of the sciatic nerve. Which is on the lower leg. We're going to use the ball head, and we're going to work up and down for around 30 seconds. So Sarah's going to bring her leg up on a steady table or chair, and what we're going to do is work through the middle of the calves. So Sarah, if you can stick that on setting 3, please. And from just below the back of the knee, just all the way down. Try to keep in the middle of the muscle. And again, it's a big, thick muscle, so you can apply as much pressure as feels comfortable. This is going to again alleviate the pathway of the sciatic nerve down the leg. Okay, so we've given you 3 excellent exercises using the massage gun for sciatica, pain and discomfort. We've worked through the piriformis and the glutes. We've worked through the hamstrings and the soleus. Again, if anything is too painful or uncomfortable while doing these, please seek medical advice. See you in the next one.